AmaZulu King Misuzulu kaZwelithini has officially declared the marula harvesting season open. Hundreds of women in northern KwaZulu Natal brought the king gifts, including marula beer. All this happened at the annual Umkhosi Wamaganu event at Machobeni Royal Palace in northern KwaZulu Natal. Newzroom Afrika's Ntando Mnyandu was there.
A colorful display of song, dance and a whole lot of meat. Visitors from as far as the kingdom of Eswatini came bearing gifts for AmaZulu King Misuzulu kaZwelithini. The Umkhosi Wamaganu dates back to more than 2 decades ago, and it signals the start of a harvest season.
The Marula Festival, which we will call it today, is a chance for His Majesty to interact with the people of Umkhanyakude, which is Ngwavuma, Manguzi, but then also a chance for the women of KwaZulu to showcase the richness of the culture, but also the work of their hands, which is the production of the marula fruit.
Ngalamazwi ngithi ngiyawuvula umcimbi wamaganu oyoze uphele kusasa. Ngizobe nginani kuze kube kusekugcineni. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu.
The marula beer and other products made from the fruit are popular here. The mothers known on this side of the province as Isipitipiti say marula fruits come with a host of benefits. The event has over the years gained popularity as it attracts mothers from far and wide.
Umkhosi Wamaganu vele la ekhaya sawuqala nje kusukela kusenemphane Nkosi. Umkhosi Wamaganu uyasita ekwakheni bomake, ukuthi sibomake sibe munye, sifundisane ukuthi nawo umake uphatha kanjani, nalokuhlangana ke sibe imbumba satane nje sibomake ukuthi asibi nale crash ukuthi laba base South Africa laba bakangwane.
Lapha sizokhuthaza ngokwezemvelo ukuba izihlahla singazigenci. Ngoba isihlahla nesihlahla sinomsebenzi waso. Lapha ebukhosini bobuganu ke kwahlolwa kwathola kathi nasi isihlahla singasebenzisa. Lesi sihlahla lesi uyakwazi ukwenza insipho yokugeza. Kulesi sihlahla lesi uyakwazi ukwenza no jam, uyakwazi ukwenza no vaseline. Futhi ikakhulukazi mangabe kuthi mangabe ukulokhuza ugeza uthatha insipho yakhona ulokhuze ugeze ngayo ugcobe futhi iyenza nawe ulokhuzana utshwala lobo kuthiwa iamarula. Lobu tshwala lobu benziwa omama lobu tshwala lobu.
With the harvesting season officially open, the region will be a hive of activity as women create skincare products, jam and marula beer from the fruit. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntando Mnyandu at Ngwavuma in northern KwaZulu Natal.